Once upon a time, in a bustling town nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a bright-eyed boy named Max. Max was known for his cheerful demeanor and infectious laughter, but lately, a shadow loomed over his usual sunny disposition. He found himself grappling with a perplexing puzzle, a math problem that seemed to grow more daunting with each passing day. As the school bell rang, signaling the end of another day of lessons, Max trudged out of the classroom with a heavy heart. His footsteps seemed to echo in the empty corridors as he made his way to the schoolyard. Finding solace on a weathered bench beneath the shade of a sprawling oak tree, he slumped down, his mind weighed down by the burden of his academic struggles. Just then, a familiar voice broke through the silence. It was Tom, Max's steadfast friend, whose unwavering support had been a source of comfort in times of trouble. Concern etched across his brow, Tom settled beside Max, his presence a reassuring anchor in the storm of uncertainty. "Hey, Max, what's wrong?" Tom inquired, his voice laced with genuine concern. With a heavy sigh, Max poured out his troubles, confessing his struggles with math and the overwhelming sense of inadequacy that gnawed at his confidence. Tom listened attentively, his empathy shining through as he offered words of encouragement. "You're not alone, Max. Math can be tricky for a lot of people, but maybe we can tackle it together. We'll figure it out, I promise." And so, fueled by determination and a glimmer of hope, Max and Tom embarked on a journey of discovery. They met each day after school, their sanctuary a quaint corner of the neighborhood park where sunlight filtered through the swaying branches of ancient trees. With patience as their guide, Tom guided Max through the labyrinth of mathematical concepts, unraveling the mysteries of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Together, they delved into the intricacies of fractions, decimals, and percentages, their laughter mingling with the rustle of leaves and the cheerful chirping of birds. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Max's confidence began to blossom like a delicate flower bathed in sunlight. Though the path was fraught with challenges and setbacks, he refused to be deterred, his spirit unyielding in the face of adversity. And then, one fateful day, as the school bell chimed its familiar refrain, Max found himself facing a familiar foe, the dreaded math test. But this time, he was armed not only with knowledge but also with the unwavering support of his friend Tom. With a steady hand and a determined heart, Max tackled each problem with renewed vigor, his mind alight with newfound understanding. And when the last question had been answered and the test papers collected, a sense of triumph filled the air, palpable in the exchange of smiles between friends. In the end, Max learned a valuable lesson, that true strength lies not in the absence of struggle, but in the courage to confront one's fears and the wisdom to seek help when needed. And as he looked towards the horizon, his gaze ablaze with newfound determination, he knew that no challenge was too great, no obstacle too insurmountable as long as he had his friends by his side.